great marketing video needs a great video script. An effective script is the foundation of a successful video marketing campaign. A good script will help you to engage your potential viewers. So it is really important to put some efforts into script writing. Always remember, the better the script, the better response you will get. To save your time and to save you from stress, we have broken down this process into some easy peasy steps. And the steps are: first, create an outline, structure your information correctly, grab the attention from the start, be specific and write like you speak and make it simple. Let's get started with our steps. And the first step is the create an outline. So never dive straight into writing. Draw a structure of some questions before you do start writing your script. The questions like: what are you offering? How will this be beneficial for your customers? What value will this video provide? How will it stand out among other competitors? And what sequence will make it easy to understand? So compile a list of what you are going to cover in your video. Make sure that your outline should clarify the goals and the storyline of the video. Once you have done, you can immediately start writing your script. The second step is structure your information correctly. Video marketing is not about just sharing as much as information you can, but to share a well-structured information to the viewers. Give a solid foundation to your viewers so they can fully understand everything that's to come. Let's take an example of a cooking tutorial. So while you are showing how to cook a dish, you can't directly jump to the cooking part. First, you need to tell about the dish you're gonna cook. Then you need to tell about the ingredients, proportion, quantities. After that, you will start to cook. So if you choose a wrong sequence, then it will confuse your audience. This example was just to let you know why you need to logically organize your information. And same, this applies on marketing videos too. Always start with general information and progressively go to the complex part. The third step is grab the attention from the start. It is mandatory to make the most impact in the shortest amount of time. Make that time count. Start off with some questions or any interesting anecdote or any story. Basically, what you need to do, you need to touch the emotion of the audience with your words. Give them the reason to stay and listen to what you are delivering to them. The next and the fourth step is be specific. Now, what does mean to be specific? Don't confuse the viewers by trying to put too much in. Recognize a problem your customers have and be the solution to that problem. That's it. Don't try to put too much information that is not needed there. The next and the fifth step is to write like you speak and make it simple. Writing script for blog post and writing a video script are two different things. Although the objectives and goals behind both are same, but in actual they are drastically different. Remember that simple is the best when it comes to video scripts. Always choose conversational writing. The more natural you will sound, the more clearer your message will be. It doesn't need to be wordy. Don't think that you are writing for internet. Write as if you are talking to a person. Read it loud, every single sentence back to yourself. See how it sounds. Is it simple or is it boring and weird? If it sounds boring and weird to you, then it will sound the same to your audience. So we will advise you to first test it on yourself. After that, deliver it to audience only if it sounds good. So these were the 5 steps you need to follow to write an impressive script. So the next thing, you need to focus on what you need to avoid while scripting. The first thing you need to avoid is beside the point information. An effective video script is always to the point. Every single word serves the objective, so avoid things that doesn't need to be there. And the second thing, always ignore the long words and the complex vocabulary. Keep it short and simple. Avoid using words that are too long or too complex. As we have told you, your script doesn't need to be wordy, it should be worthy.